Welcome everyone. I'm going to do a short video on how to, or how I declutter a cabinet. I definitely need to make more room, get rid of a few things, and just put it back to normal. There's a lot of stuff in here we don't use. The stuff I don't use that often, I'm going to put on the top, or the stuff I don't want to get rid of. But I know I can weed out a few things to make room for, like when all the dishes are clean or all the cups are clean, they do not fit. So, and that's super annoying. Anyway, so I'm going to do a quick declutter. I've got about 10 minutes, and so I'm going to do that. And Juju just rang the bell, so that means he needs to go outside. We're trying to train him, and he's actually doing it. I'm super impressed. I don't know if you guys heard the bell in the background, but he did ring that bell. We have a bell on the door. Okay, now I gotta get busy. Life with dogs, life with dogs. Here we go. So I keep a few supplements. I take this every morning in my coffee. I get it at Sam's. This is something I'm just trying. It's new. I'm not for sure. It tastes really good. I'm not sure if it's working or not. So, anyways, this is Race's sugar. He has to have that for his coffee. Coffee beans. A couple protein powders. So let's just work. Okay, where do I start? Where do I start? Shot glasses. So I know the stuff up here I want to keep. I'm probably going to get rid of these. I don't need these. These are like, up here is like either a sentimental thing or like wine glasses, shot glasses, things like that. So I'm putting all the shot glasses up here. These are going to go. This is peeling. We have one of these cups. I don't know. There's a weird smell. Is it in here? Something stinks. Oh, it's that cup. Yum. Ugh. Okay. That's a cute little glass. That's a tiny shot glass. Huh. I love this, but I never use it. I don't know. All right, that's gone. That's gone. I'll wipe off and move stuff around. Don't need that. I think we don't use these. Do we really need this? I don't think so. That's the ball. I don't even know what this is. I'm not sure. Okay, not going to get rid of that. Let me get a towel to dry real quick. Okay, so up here, I'm going to put some of our metal cups. I'm going to get rid of that. Let me see. This can go here. This is this cup, so we'll do that. Have the lid for that, so we'll get rid of that. Get rid of this. I don't like metal cups, but I'll keep those. Probably shouldn't do that. So hopefully you can see. So glasses, let's do this. I think this is kind of a beer mug. Sorry for all the noise. Just going to try to make this 10 minutes or shorter. We don't have these ones anymore, so I'm going to get rid of those. So I'm going to keep what matches. This is a cool cup. I think the other one's in the dishwasher. We have 2 of those. Olivia got me this cup, so I do like coffee cups. These are races. I think I'll put these down in the, I don't want to get rid of them, but I'll put them down in my storage. Okay, so let's see what we got. This is get rid of. This I'll keep, put right there. This is James's coffee cup, got to keep that. And then let's see what mugs we can get rid of. Don't use that. Keep that. I got a couple Ray Dunn cups that I really like. This is one of my favorite coffee cups. Okay, I'm gonna put this back here. All right. Get this. So now I should have room for those supplements. Let me wipe this off. I think I'm gonna keep this cup. I'm gonna put it up here. Put this here. Maybe. Don't fit. So do that. Like that. Nope. Nope and nope. Okay. Oh, it does fit there. All right. So let's do. Wipe all that off. Okay, these are going, keeping this, I'll put it up here. This is going. These stay. Erase sugar there, that there, this there. Do those go there? They sure do. So I'll put this like this. Put that there. Granted, the dishwasher is full, so put the coffee there. And that there. All right, guys, what do you think? So these, I'm not, will that go there? Probably not. I don't want to get rid of these because they're races. He doesn't use them that often, so we're going to line them there. Put that there. Okay. So much better. Everything fits, and then this I'm going to weed out and get rid of. I'm either going to drop it off at the Goodwill or put it out at the end of the drive for free. Anyway, so much better. Let me see. I don't think I want this. I'll keep that. James used to work there. These are just shot glasses. Probably could put these right here. All right, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please like and subscribe. Watch the videos all the way through. That really helps me out. Costs you nothing. I do appreciate it. Anyways, you guys have a good day. Drink some water and love on your dog. Take a walk. Be kind and have a great day. Bye.